So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on a 16 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. And this tray section here will lift and remove to give you even more space, as you can see. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, run through some controls from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. We'll hop in and run through some controls next. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and the coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the sensor, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 45,126. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel for various different menus, as you can see. Back around to the menu we started on. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was just using are here. We have our phone controls over that side as well. We have stereo controls. On the left-hand side, these stereo controls continue. We've also got cruise control, which you can turn on and off from there and use the plus and minus buttons to set the speed. Into the sensor next. Just above the screen, first of all, we can turn off the stop and start for the car. Our rear heated screen, hazard warning lights, and your parking sensors. And you can see on the screen now a visual guide to the front and rear sensors, and you can turn that back off as you wish. We're on the main menu at the moment. You can access everything on there using this dial, or it is also touchscreen, as you can see. We've got the radio, of course, DAB, FM and AM radio all available. If you want to listen to your own music, press the media button, and there you can see the different ways you can listen to music, including Bluetooth audio just here. So once you paired your phone, you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. So once you paired your phone, of course. And that is done by hitting the phone button and then find telephone and following the instructions on screen from there. Main volume for your stereo is just here. Beneath that, we've got air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set just here. And that's your air conditioning off or back on again. We have some storage right at the back there, 2 cup holders, USB input, auxiliary input, and a 12-volt charging socket. We then lastly have the gear lever for the 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.